Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn on Ultimate Performance Power Plan in Windows 10. Type Power Plans in Windows search bar. Click Choose a Power Plan. Ultimate Performance Power Plan is not viewed under Power Plan. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it into command window. Type Power Plans in Windows search bar. Click Choose a Power Plan. Ultimate Performance Power Plan is added successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.